The Via Francigena is an ancient pilgrimage route that runs from Canterbury to Rome. It is one of the most popular pilgrimage routes in Europe, and for good reason. The route passes through some of the most beautiful and historic landscapes in Italy, including the rolling hills of Tuscany and the volcanic landscapes of Lazio. Slow walking on the Via Francigena is a great way to experience the beauty of the Italian countryside and the rich history of the pilgrimage route. There are many things to see on the Via Francigena, including the walled city of Lucca, the medieval towers of San Gimignano, the Siena Cathedral, the Val d'Orcia, the volcanic landscapes of Lazio, the eternal city of Rome. Tips for slow walking on the Via Francigena. If you are planning to slow walk, here are a few tips. Start early in the morning to avoid the heat of the day. Wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water and snacks. Be prepared for the weather and dress in layers. Take your time and enjoy the scenery.